Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. In today's video, we are going to have a race. We are going to see who's faster, hot water or cold water. And we are going to do that using this scientific concept we call capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow through narrow spaces such as thin tubes or tiny gaps between solid surfaces without the need for external forces like gravity or pumping. This happens because of the combination of two forces, adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion is the attractive forces between the liquid molecules and the walls of the tube. On the other hand, cohesion is the attractive force between the liquid molecules themselves. So what happens in case of capillary action is that the adhesion forces is much stronger than the cohesive forces because the tube is quite narrow, so the liquid molecules are more in contact with the tube than with themselves, and therefore the liquid is able to climb up the tube against gravity. This effect is very commonly seen in situations like when water creeps up a plant stem or when oil rises to the wick of the lamp. Let us know if you try this experiment and we'll see you next week. Well, looks like the hot water won. Why do you think this happened? Comment your guesses down below.